Hey guys and girls, today it's actually snowing at our house. So it's pretty exciting. Um, but today I have relaunched this 100 Done For You images in the $74.8 million dog niche. It's actually my top selling niche inside of Etsy. I've sold 30 shirts with dog things on it. And so, I mean, I know it really sells. And when you think about it, if you can customize someone's t-shirt, tote bag, whatever, with their name on it or their dog's name on it, they go crazy. Okay. They're like, oh, can you do this? Can you do that? And I always say yes, because inside of the print on demand companies that I use, which are Gear Bubble, Printful, and Printify, you can personalize things, and or you can go back in and make a new image inside a PicMonkey and just add the name. So these are some. I got an artist, an Upwork, which is an outsourcer site, and he drew these by hand, and they're adorable, and they have different little accessories. They have sunglasses, they have hair bows. The guide dogs have bow ties, and you can mix and match all these elements. So it's 30 dog breeds, a possible 180 variations, and right now it's $47. The price may go up in the future, so it'd be a good time to go grab these. You don't need any special licenses. I got really tired of PMing a lot of graphic artists saying, can I use this for print on demand sites, and being told no, which is more and more common. And so I thought, okay, fine. I know what my hottest niche is. I'm going to get my own images made. So I'm sharing these with you. So click on the link below and go get your doggy. They're black. There's some black and white, and most of them are in color because I told him I wanted them in color. And then you can go to the Hungry JPEG. This is from the Hungry JPEG, so you have to purchase this separately. This right here is inside a PicMonkey, so you can add little accessories. PicMonkey's like $7.99 a month, and boy, Heidi, you can just use the heck out of PicMonkey. But once you download these images, you have them forever, and you can make all kinds of variations on the theme. So if we take a quick look, just real fast, inside of Etsy, it's not letting me sign in. For some reason, all my sign-in data left me today. I don't know why. Okay, well, let's not sign into Etsy right now, but you get the picture. Etsy is a plethora of, pet owners that love to buy. Here are the images again. One of my students, Sylvia Marie, she took one of these and she put the simple things in life, and she put those on a t-shirt. So, I mean, you can really just use your imagination. There's no limit to what you can do. So download these, have fun, and get a lot of things on your shop for Christmas shoppers. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye now.